Yo, what is up, guys? So this is my MetaTrader 5 app. You can see I just traded right now and I've made a profit of about $5.45. So this is my current balance, which is $17.47. So right now I want to show you guys how to actually withdraw your money from exness. So first of all, you have to head over to the exness website or open the exness app, and then you come over to my account over here. Then you see the amount or your current balance appearing over here. So you have to click on withdraw. Then they will bring in the options. So in this option, I'll be using my mobile money to withdraw my profits. So here I'll enter. The minimum amount should be $10, so it's like $10 and above. So I'm going to select $10, which in my local currency is about 154 Ghana cedis. So click on continue. So here you have payment method, mobile money. Then this is the account and the amount that I'm withdrawing, no commission, and this is the conversion rate. $1 is approximately about 15 Ghana cedis. Let me check the international rates too. You can see over here to that $1 is about 15 Ghana cedis. So the difference is not that huge. So that's the conversion rate. So after you are satisfied with everything, you just click on confirm, and your payment will be processed and you receive an SMS alert within a few seconds or minutes. So yeah, this is select a method to confirm. So I'll go with the text option. So this is my mobile money here. They'll send me the text code so that I'll enter it. This is the text code. So you can see over here is 86. The text code is 86998. So that is the I made a mistake. Okay, the text code is 869988. So that is the text code. So after entering everything and everything is sorted out, you select the mobile network that you want to go with. This option, I'm going with MTN, and click on confirm. So they say your request is in progress. We are processing your request and you will receive your funds as soon as possible. Please bear in mind that the transaction times will differ depending on the payment system used. So that's basically how you withdraw your money from exness. So I'll let you guys know when the money actually comes into my mobile money account. Yeah, so this is the transaction history. You can see. Yeah, so let me head back to my account over here. Yeah, yo guys, so this is the updated video. So you can see over here right now, just now, you see payment received for 154 Ghana cedis from NS payout. So that is the amount that has landed into my mobile money account. So guys, that's how you actually do withdrawal from exness. So let's head over back to my MetaTrader 5 app. You can see over here that right now I've withdrawn -10. So my current balance right now is about $7, and because I've withdrawn $10. So let's head over back to the exness app and see my balance there over there too. So let's open it and let me see. So let me head over to my account. Yeah, so you can see over here that right now my balance has changed from 17 to 7. Yeah, so meaning I've actually withdrawn my money. So guys, that's basically how you do your withdrawals from exness. So if you guys want to create an account with exness, make sure you use the link in the description below. I'll leave a link over there. You can use it to sign up with exness and I think exness is one of the best brokers out there, so I recommend it to you. So you use the link in the description to sign up now. So like and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.